If you're taken to jail and you're arrested and charged with a so-called domestic violence offense, or what they call a Family Violence Act violation in the state of Georgia, that can be a misdemeanor or a felony. There are felonies that are domestic violence or family violence charges. There's misdemeanors as well. The most common one is Battery Family Violence Act. If you're taken to jail in a Battery Family Violence Act, the first thing you're going to find is that you will not be getting out immediately, even though you may be charged with a misdemeanor. Almost all misdemeanors you can get a bond almost immediately, but if you're charged with the Family Violence Act, you won't. You will have to sit in there until you see a judge. Okay? The reason you have to sit in there until you see a judge is because they require a condition to be put onto your bond that you have typically no contact with whoever it is that's the listed victim in your case. Could be your wife, could be your children, could be somebody who lives with you. They're going to impose a no contact provision on your bond, which means you have to see a judge before you can be released. Now, if you're arrested without a warrant for that family violence offense, that means you're going to see a judge within 48 hours. If you're arrested with a warrant, however, you may be in there 72 hours before you see a judge and go in front of that judge to have those conditions put on your bond. They will have to set you a bond because it's a misdemeanor, but they will be imposing those conditions on you. If, however, you're charged with a Felony Family Violence Act, you very well may not get any bond whatsoever at the first appearance, and you'd need to have an attorney file a motion for bond for you in order to be released. Yeah, the very first thing you need to do when you get out of jail, when your loved one gets out of jail, is you need to contact a criminal defense lawyer in your area, and you need to do that very, very soon. That person is going to put you on a path to having success in your case, and if you start late, you may not be able to achieve the results that you maybe are entitled to or that you should get. You don't want to wait. A lot of people think, oh, well, they'll just throw this out because my wife or girlfriend wants to dismiss the charges. No, 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 no. Everybody thinks that, and it never is true, okay? That's why you contact an attorney that can help you accomplish those goals.